Hey coding team, let me get you started here with a quick video. We are getting ready for January 2022 International Coding Contest, IKCC, for Scratch. So first thing you need to do is create a Scratch account. Go to scratch.mit.edu, create an account. And then once you get in there, hit File, New, or it might say Create on the opening screen there. So start your new account, come in, and right here in the middle top, you'll have a place where you can create, edit your title. Make it something descriptive. We're making a Christmas chase game, so something like that would be good, or Hannah's Christmas chase game. I put Mrs. H after mine. Click the share button so that we'll be able to see your work. And then off to the right, there will be occasionally a Save Now button. Make sure to look for that. Save before you leave the screen so you don't lose your work. Okay, once you get a new project started, click on Tutorials, and we're going to go to Make a Chase Game. And this will walk you through everything you need. So let me move myself out of the way here. All right, just click on these green arrows. You need to first add a backdrop. Watch the animation. It shows you exactly how to do it. Next, add a sprite. This will be for your hero. And we want the hero to move right and left with the arrow keys. Or we could talk about, in our Zoom meeting, we could talk about how to move with the mouse also. Then you can move up and down with arrow keys also. Next, we need a bad guy or an object that you want to collect. So you're going to create, you can look in the library, or you can hit the paintbrush there and create your own. This one we want to move randomly. So as you can see in my project here, I've got a boy, he's the hero. I've got a snowball that he does not want to get hit by the snowball. So I've got the snowball moving randomly. If I go to my snowball, you can see the code, so that snowball just keeps wandering around the screen. All right, after you've got those, when the boy and the snowball collide, so when your good guy and the object he's trying to collect or avoid, when they collide, we want to play a sound, and here's your code for how to do that. We also want the score to increase if it's an object you wanted to collect. So this will show you how to do that. Or you can have, instead of having score, you could have lives. That's what I did. I gave the boy 3 lives to start with, and every time he gets hit by a snowball, his lives will change by -1, so they go down to 0. So add that, and then you can look at more tutorials to get more ideas of other things to do. When you get so many points, do you want to go on to level 2? Do you want it to say you won? If you run out of lives, you could have a lose screen. All kinds of good ideas, and we are meeting in the Zoom room every Thursday if you have questions. All right, see you next week.